Hi guys, welcome to this session. In this session, we're going to talk about App Advertising Hub feature. So this is one of the features which you get in the planning tool. This particular feature helps us to advertise and bring traffic to our apps. So we can go ahead and set up our conversion tracking, which can help us track data in apps as well. So we can track all in-app purchases. We can set up the deep linking. All of that becomes possible from this particular section. Let's have a look at this, guys, how we can set it up. So once we log into our Google Ads account, we can go to the tools section where we go to planning. In planning, the last option is App Advertising Hub. So this is where we can go, where you can see now that this feature is primarily used for, this can help us to increase our conversion rates when we drive our web campaigns to our apps and make people purchase through our app. So here we are able to drive conversions. We can also improve our overall campaign's performance. So you will get to see the data over here, the performance overview as well. And from this section, you can set up your conversion tracking as well for your apps specifically. We can implement the SDK and we can link our Google Ads accounts. Also, we can set up our deep linking, which is basically where we would want when people click on our ads, we want to take them to a specific section in our apps. So if you want to drive traffic to specific sections of your app, then we set up our deep linking as well. And that really helps to bring traffic to our app and make a lot more in-app purchases becomes more possible from here. So all that setup can be done from this particular section, wherein we can go ahead and set up our conversion tracking and deep linking. And from then onwards, we will see our conversions going up because this will be much more a better user experience, because of which we are able to generate more sales as well for the business. I hope this makes sense. You understand what App Advertising Hub section does for us and how it can help us to generate more sales, more revenue for our businesses. Thank you so much, guys, for listening into this session, and I will see you in the next video.